Want to add a superscript effect to your text in CapCut on PC? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using a simple two-layer text method. It's quick and easy, and it works great for things like math, references, or any styled text. First, go to the top of the screen and click on the text option. Now click Add Text and drag that text box into your timeline. You'll need two text layers, one for the main text and one for the superscript. So go ahead and add a second text box and place that on the timeline too. Now select both text layers and you can adjust the font, size and color however you like. I'll choose a clean font here as an example. Next, click on the first text box and type your main number or word. For example, I'll type 96. Then click on the second text box and type your superscript value. I'll type 2. Now, to make it look like a superscript, click on the second text box and resize it to make it smaller. Then drag it up and slightly to the right of the main text. This gives it that raised superscript look. Once you've got it lined up the way you want, select both layers. You can now move or resize them together. To keep them grouped, right-click and choose Group. This way, when you move or scale the text, both pieces will stay in position. And that's how you add a superscript effect in CapCut on PC. If you found this helpful, like the video for more quick editing tips. If you have questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.